And welcome to Sumo's Projects. This is a little insight for Christmas stocking filler last minute. We have the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt cordless drill driver and Ryobi 18 volt cordless impact driver. Now these are brushed, so it means it's not the latest technology, but I've had these for about 5 years. I've built plenty of decks, I've done a lot of woodworking with them, and they've never failed. So the brushless is just a step up and gives you a little bit more power and performance, but if you're looking at price, these are a great alternative and they shan't let you down. If this is the first time you've viewed this channel and enjoy some tool reviews from time to time, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. Alright, let's see how they perform. Beginning here with a drill driver, we can put a regular type drill. Has no problems in drilling through most materials. Then we move on to a Forstner bit. Now it's a 2-stage motor on this particular setup, where I'm setting on the 2-speed at the moment, but when we go and cut a bigger hole with the hole saw, we'll put that back to the 1 setting. That'll slow things up a bit and cut a little bit more efficiently. The drill driver and the impact driver are one of the most versatile bits of machinery and tools you'll have in your workshop. You can practically do most applications for joining pieces of timber together, just having these 2 items in your workshop. We now introduce the impact driver with 3 LED lights here, a fast interchange for all your different types of bits, your driver components. We're going to start here by driving a few Phillips head screws, and they're about 75 millimeters long, and they go in without any trouble whatsoever. So I'm driving a couple of 75 millimeter Phillips head bits. They're going in like butter, and the impact driver here, it has a lot of torque, Newton meter torque, and it's a great thing to have at such a budget range price. Many attachments available, such as countersink bits. The impact driver makes light work of this 120 millimeter screw, so excellent performance, love it. As well as that, Ryobi have a fantastic range of batteries that are available and compatible on nearly all their types of machines and tools. So it's a fantastic option to keep in mind. 2 drills, 2 batteries, and a charger unit will come in around 259 Australian dollars. And you can't do much better than that, because other brands you might pay that amount for just one item. So well worth considering. Okay, so that's the first of a series of videos I'm going to be doing just before Christmas on tools at a budget price for the DIY at home that you can go and have a look for and make some incredible projects out of. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys.